What's up, guys? Today we are reviewing the IXRoad digital dash cam, which is built right into a rear view mirror that straps onto your existing mirror. This has full HD and all of the things that you would expect from a high quality digital camera, such as 1080p, wide angle lens, loop recording, parking monitor, motion detection, night vision, etc. Let's take a look at what's inside. Alright, so you have your nice 10-inch digital display that's going to be built right into this rear view mirror. As you can see, we'll strap it right on. It's got a speaker in there. It also has microphone support to record any sound during an incident, such as a traffic stop or if you have an accident, for example. Okay, what's also nice is that it also covers the rear view as well as the front view, so you would just have to wire this in to the back of the car. This is going to be a waterproof camera, so you can put it like right under your trunk lid, for example, or above your license plate. Here's your power. I would probably directly wire this into my battery. And then your rubber straps, which ensures that you can fit this onto any car mirror. Let's see in action. All right, so basically you just connect this to your mirror with the rubber bands here that are supplied. As you can see, the camera is adjustable. It peeks around your rear view mirror so it doesn't obstruct your view. It's completely seamless. It doesn't take up any space on your windshield, and I love that feature. So this is also adjustable in all directions, up, down, side to side, to make sure you get the view that you want. All right, so as you can see, it is full touchscreen, very high resolution, very nice, takes up the whole mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and just hit the stop button there. Very responsive. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the settings. You can set your recording time, 1 minute or 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and loop to 3 minutes. Make sure that my sound is on, which it is. Very responsive touchscreen. That's very important to me. We're going to go ahead and scroll down here and look at some of the other options. We have general settings, clock settings, etc. Very easy to set. All right, so I've just set up my resolution to be full HD. I've set my sound to be on and a number of other settings. So we'll go back. You know it's recording when you see that red flashing symbol up there. So very nice, very easy. Seamless, fully integrated, no windshield space is used up. Loving it so far. Let's get some footage.
But the poll also revealed what most of us already expected would be the case, and that is that there were a very small segment of the population whose actual values and ideas and thinking has been conditioned and informed by Scripture.